Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Unity IAP and enabling services so billing APIs are available. This gives you the SDK hooks. Next, create matching product entries in the Unity dashboard and your target stores and copy their product ID. Consistency matters because Unity maps purchases by ID. Choose correct product types: consumable for repeated buys, non-consumable for one-time unlocks, subscription for recurring. Once done, add product ID to your IAP catalog. In editor so code and store listings, use the same identifiers. Now implement the purchase flow by initializing Unity IAP with a configuration builder and adding each product using the ID you registered. Initialization returns an iStore controller you use to call initiate purchase. Implement iStore listener methods. Handle on initialized to cache controllers, process purchase to grant content and confirm success, and on purchase failed to report errors. Make sure to validate receipts, either locally for quick checks or preferably server-side for subscriptions and high-value items to prevent. Finally, test thoroughly. Use sandbox accounts on Google Play and App Store. Connect to buy consumables, non-consumables, and subscriptions. Verify restore and expiration behavior. Deploy builds with appropriate signing and bundle ID. Then watch Unity and platform logs to catch initialization or receipt errors. If things go wrong, first confirm product ID match across code, dashboard, and store. Ensure bundle/package ID are correct, and update Unity IAP SDK. These steps fix most integration failures and get you ready for release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.